Hi everyone, today we're here in Glendale, California. As you can see behind me, we're actually in the living room. We have this beautiful large window. We are going to be working on the living room, we have the dining room and even the master bedroom.
Right.
We're going to do something very unique and different today. This is one of our in-home visits that we get to do.
So our client happened to find us on Google, and she was looking for something that would be motorized draperies or electronic draperies, also known as remote control draperies. And that's what we do more than anything else nowadays because that's what's in. And so we are planning on going ahead and doing that for this client. The client, they're very excited. We're very excited about to see how it's going to turn out. So follow us along.
This is one of our in-home full design services that our customers call us, they get us to come over, we choose colors, pattern, beautiful designs. And today actually we're going to share a little bit about what we have created here.
This particular home, as you can see behind us, we've done a cornice as well as a bay window and a half bay window. And we've also went ahead and our client took advantage of our drapery motorized as well as our remote control draperies that we offer. These can be done by just a click, having the drapes open, stop, and then close at any time. So more and more smart homes are coming about. So the job is now complete. We are very pleased with the way the job has turned out. We'd like to kind of tell you a little bit about it. And this particular job here, it turned out to be quite nice. What really made it unique and different is to be able to do two different types of window treatments all in one and right next to one another.
Exactly, and the way we accommodate that, this is a very large window. Our client didn't want to really necessarily cover it. She has a beautiful view. And what we have done for her is we did the cornice box again to follow with the draperies and the shears. And we're going to share about the shears a little bit in a minute. But we have used one of our 7-piece on the cornice itself, Florence combo, and again fully embellished with Swarovski elements and the gem. So this is one of our gem collections that is very beautiful.
So the other feature about this particular job was the automation, the draperies that are being automated with just a simple click. They can be open, stop, and open again further. And if you like to go ahead and stop them and close them at any time, you can adjust these. They're really, really nicely done. For those of you who have not subscribed to us, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to us down here. And if you're interested in finding out more about the product, go ahead and click this link above.